Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to move everything up in Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's say I have a clip which I want to put in this area here. I can move all of these one by one and move them up, but that's not the best way to do it. So there are two ways to do it, okay? One of the ways is this little tool here, the arrow in the box. And everything in front of that is going to be moved up as one, okay? Everything in front of those two arrows. That's the way you do that. Let's do it. Let's do it like that. You do the same thing to bring it back as well. Everything in front of it. You can also do it with this, the rectangle tool. Just choose everything you want to move up. It selects it, and then you just do it like that. Literally that simple, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.